A mother duck and her little ducklings were on their way to the lake one day. The ducklings were very happy following their mother and quack, quack, quacking all along the way. All of a sudden, the mother duck saw a fox at a distance. She was frightened and shouted, "Children, hurry to the lake! There's a fox!" The ducklings hurried towards the lake. The mother duck wondered what to do. She began to walk back and forth, dragging one wing on the ground. When the fox saw her, he became happy. The mother duck ran, leading the fox away from the lake. The fox followed her. You see, now he wouldn't be able to harm her ducklings. The mother duck looked towards her ducklings and saw that they had reached the lake. She was so relieved, so she stopped and took a deep breath. It seems that she's hurt and can't fly. I can easily catch and eat her, the fox thought as he ran towards her. The fox thought she was tired as he came closer, but the mother duck quickly spread her wings and rose up in the air. Soon she landed in the middle of the lake, and her ducklings swam to her. The fox stared in disbelief at the mother duck and her ducklings. He could not reach them because they were in the middle of the lake. Dear children, some birds drag one of their wings on the ground when an enemy is going to attack. In this way, they fool their enemies into thinking they are hurt. When the enemy follows them, this gives their children the perfect time and opportunity to escape.